Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can earn more money from YouTube. YouTube is a worldwide platform of content creating. A lot of content creators and the viewers are available on YouTube. So you also can make money from YouTube in easy way, but for the earn more money, there are some tips for you out here. First, I will tell you how you can create your channel on YouTube for earn money. As you see, here are the different channels which show uploaded their videos and earning money, the views, the viewers. So I'm going to tell you how you can earn money. Without wasting our time, I have opened YouTube app and I'm going to tell you how you can create your channel. For the channel creation, you must have an Gmail account which is used to create the channel. So after opening the YouTube app, on the right upper corner you select this one, and here some different things are on the screen. First one is your Google account. Second one is turn on incognito, add account, your channel, YouTube Studio, time watched, purchases and membership, your data in YouTube, and setting help and features. So you will select first one. Here are the some Google accounts. I will select this one. After selecting, my account is selected. Now I'm going to tell you how you can create your account. Now again I click this button and go to your channel. As I have this channel is created, I have already created my channel. Now I will select add account. Sorry. I select another account which have no channel. Let me check. This Gmail also have account. Now we will create a new Gmail, fresh Gmail which have no YouTube account. Then we will create a YouTube channel. So this for configuration. I confirm my configuration. So here a button we make Ali Chaudhary. Here they ask us about information. Information. You must select over 18 year age. Then your account easily create. Here are some options. Select this one or this one, or if you want another your name, you can select this one, but I select this And next, here he asking us now our account is ready. Now we will select our new account and then we will make our channel. Our account is ready. Now we will go to your channel. Here the two things are on the screen, one your channel pic and other name. We will select our channel name, which service you want to give. Select name. I write Hamad official. Any other name which you want to select for your channel, you can select here. And this picture or logo for the channel you can select here, or after creating your channel you can go to your channel setting and select there. Now I'm going to tell you how you can. Here you can write the description. My channel have latest news about the world. If you want I select this description from my channel. Now this mail will come from YouTube team. Here I'm gonna select a logo for my channel. So choose from my photos. I gonna select a picture. I select my picture. No, not my picture. Here you can select a logo. I select this one. This one I select this one. Save. Here you can select background, and your channel is ready for the video upload. Here you can select your video and earn money from YouTube. Thank you.